So we have a battery date code. I'm surprised. Now here's one which lived a nice long life. 2017 is the date code on here, and it's still alive. Actually, do I have, oh shoot, I don't think I have my battery meter on me. I was just using it at a job location and I left it there. Let's see what the odds are that by the time I come back here and recharge this, so I'm just recovering this today. When I come back to recharge this and this is all fixed, they'll have a new battery in here, because if the technician forgets to disconnect the battery and they have to leave doors and windows open, stuff like that, and they draw down the battery and then they throw it on the battery charger, if it kills the battery, and they'll end up putting in a new battery. Because when you have a battery this old, if you let it go totally flat and dead, very often you end up having to replace it after that. All right, see you guys.